going on, folks? This is Wesley Version, your master motivator and master virtual trainer here with 7dayfitness.com. And what I'm going to work on and show you today the proper way to do the biceps. I call these the 7 sevens. This is going to get you that arm. It's going to get you that nice size. It's going to get you some striations. Do this every morning, one time in the morning, one time in the evening. Let me show you, folks. You start right here first. You just hold them right here, okay? Now, hey, do on with me. Get yourself 12, 5 pounds. It doesn't matter the weight. As you start doing this, you'll start increasing. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. See, a lot of folks out there, whether it's men or women, they say, well, I need to get heavyweight. I need to lift this heavyweight, and I'm going to start lifting like this and using my back and leaning back like this. I call them the lean back. Lean back. Those are lean back people. At home, every day, twice a day, one in the morning, one in the evening. Let's knock them out again. Start right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. See, push it. Push it. That gives you that ball. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2. Keep your body straight. 4, 5, 6, 7. And guess what? You're done. Woo! Okay, folks, you should be feeling the burn right now. Right now, my biceps are burning. And look, we just did that in 1 minute and 30 seconds. You're finished. You can go to work. You can go to school. You can go to bed. I only require my client to do that twice a day. One in the morning and one in the evening. Folks, and just to give you a quick recap, the first thing I did, I set my arms here at a 90-degree angle, and I came up 7 times. Then I went all the way down, and I did it again 7 times. We don't want to bend back. We don't want to shake our bodies. We don't want to move. We want to stand still, because what we want to do is we want to isolate the muscle, isolate the ball we have here. And what it's going to do for you ladies, it's going to give it a nice tone in your arm. No more jiggly wiggly. And the thing is, the next one is coming up just halfway and holding 7 times. And the last reps are all the way up. So it's 7, 7, 7, 7s, and you complete it. All right, folks, that's another bicep. I call it the killer 7s, folks. Those are the killer 7s. It doesn't matter. They don't take a lot of weight. It don't take for you to go to the gym and hire no expensive virtual personal trainer. It take you at home, get a few weights, get even a water bottle. I don't care. Get some weight, and I want you to master this exercise to get the arms you're looking for. Hey, folks, get fit with passion.